These cables exert almost no force on the gimbal, allowing it to balance and perform perfectly. I don't think you can ask for anything more from an HDMI cable for a gimbal. Really well made and terrifically flexible. Very high quality material and feel. Very lightweight, great for gimbals or rigs where you want to stay organized and functional. Very light, right? Works great on my Moza Air too. Serves the purpose well. It is the right length. Lightweight and perfect for using with my Ronin. I use this for my gimbal. It is easy. And it is very flexible. I use this on my Canon 6D Mark II to connect to a monitor that's attached to my DJI Ronin S gimbal setup. My old HDMI cord was thick, bulky, and caused the camera to move unwanted. But this thin cord is much better. It works great and I can barely tell it's there. I use this on my Canon 6D to connect to a monitor that's attached to my DJI Ronin S gimbal setup. My old HDMI cord would cause the gimbal to move and drift, but this thin cord is much better. It works great and I can barely tell it's there. Love the flexibility I have using this as my camera to monitor cable for my Ronin S. Makes movement much easier. Click link in description for more reviews.